Break 4087 for the 2020 Topps Clearly Authentic Autographed Baseball Card Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, January 4th, 2021. It's a 10:11 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:11 p.m. Central Time, and 7:11 p.m. Pacific Time. And the break we have Tupa 5 spots, Jose 1, FRJ 5, ET Club with 5, Rich Martinez 4, Chasing Trout 1, HJ 5, Kyle Sta 1, CZ with 3 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to break. Tupa's on top, CZ on the bottom once. All right. Random.org stuck tonight. Jeez. Twice. 3 times. 4, 5, 6. And lucky number 7 has Jose on top. FRJ on the bottom. Jose, you have the Diamondbacks, HJ Braves, Rich Martinez Orioles, HJ Red Sox, Club Cubs, HJ White Sox, Rich Martinez Reds, CZ Indians, Tupa Rockies, Chasing Trout with the Tigers, Club Astros, FRJ with the Royals, Club Angels, Tupa Dodgers, Marlins, CZ Brewers, FRJ Twins, Mets, Tupa Yankees, Kyle Sta Athletics, HJ Phillies, Rich with the Pirates, Club Padres, FRJ Giants, HJ Mariners, Club Cardinals, CZ Rays, Tupa Rangers, Rich Martinez Blue Jays, and last but not least, FRJ has the Washington Nationals. All sealed up. Good luck. And whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Let's see what we have here. Empty. We have Albert Alzolay, Chicago Cubs rookie auto. Congrats to whoever has the Chicago Cubs. Very nice. Here's the back. All right, Chicago Cubs. ET Cole Club. Congrats, and that was break 4087 for the 2020 Topps Clearly Authentic Autographed Baseball Card Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autographed football mini helmet. And up next is break 4124 for the 2020 Panini Obsidian Football Card Box. Thanks.